you send. Now let's go back to the main page and let's see a few things I can get to show you on this particular interface. So we've checked how to send, we've checked how to receive, and now how to buy. Mostly I won't advise you buy on custodial or non-custodial wallets. If you want to buy, go to your exchanges and send the same way I've shown you from the exchanges. You send it right into this type of wallet, so if you assume you want to buy, you just click on here. And the reason I'll tell you not to buy from this type of wallet is because they are definitely going to link you to a particular exchange with they are in partnership with, and at the same time, what was it called? They might be giving you, fixed price or price that are not very, 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 very okay for you. So now you've clicked on 150 USD. So let's say buy. Assume I want to buy, but I'm not really interested. I'll just click on buy now. I have to connect my Google account, one or two things, select a payment method, maybe with my ATM card or whatever. You see, it's changing, already directing me to a particular exchange, which is Mercury. But okay, let's just see, maybe we can get to show you that at the moment. So this is an exchange, and I'm still going to show you how an exchange wallet actually works. So we've talked about how to send, how to receive, how to buy, and at the same time, if you want to sell, most of these features were not, don't used to be in non-custodial wallet, but that's just it. So now if you come right down here to this button here, to this particular bottom part of this scene, you will see trending. And what does this mean? It's going to show you what is actually trending, coins or tokens that are actually trending with the percentage they've done, blah blah blah. So there are a lot of tokens here. These are for the advanced people. When I say if you want more, you can just check the next video that's going to slide up. And if you want to swap, maybe let's say for an example, now the same way we do it in our multi-denominated bank account, that you can get to swap a particular commodity for another commodity or an asset for another asset. Let's say in this case, maybe you have your British pounds and you want to swap it for $1. You don't want to go to bank, you just do that from your bank account or from your bank app. The same way you can get to swap your Bitcoin for Ethereum, your Solana for blah blah blah. But in this case, because this is a non-custodial wallet, and there are limitations to the activities or scope of activities that can be done here, so it can only work on tokens or coins that are on the same exchange and what's it called, blockchain. So let's just try this. So which token is on the Ethereum blockchain? So I'm just going to click on okay, let's try to click on, let's say assuming I have 100 USDT, I'll just click 100 USDT and it will give me the value of 100 USDT in Ethereum, but it's telling me an unknown error because I have zero balance, which is not meant to be doing so. So to give me, it will quote it based on the current market price, and if I got that right, if I'm interested in that, let me just click on one Ethereum here. I'll just click on choose. Okay, let me just click on choose, and I'm just click on it by myself. I don't know why it's doing all of this, but if I just want to swap, I'll just click on the amount of USDT I have available for what I want to swap it for, and I get the quotation. I click on next. We'll click on next, sign the transaction, and that is how you get it done. So now we are going to talk about the N, and what you do with N is, this is how you get to grow your asset, or let's say make profit. These are one of the ways you can make profit from a crypto system. For an example, what I mean by that is, in the normal in the centralized exchange system, our central banks and all, when you deposit your money, you barely get proper dividends for your money in your savings account. But it's not the same thing with cryptocurrency. Once you get to have some dormant funds you're not using, you can stake them. Staking, what does staking mean? Staking means you are giving out the assets you have for a particular period of time to some set of people who are working in the crypto space, and they give you dividends, because by that time you won't be able to use your money at all. So they give you some percentage annual return. So sometimes maybe now you see, if you stake your Ethereum, you only have 3% of whatever it is you staked as your profit per year. So maybe if you staked one Ethereum, you're only going to have 3% of one. You can calculate what that would be. And so now this is Discover. You have Discover right at the bottom here. So like I've said, your crypto wallet is not just something for you to store assets and store your money. It is your gateway to Web3. Most of these wallets are finding a way to bring themselves into the same system as the Web3, or into the Web3. So the thing is, you can browse with your wallet. Now, let's say I just want to go to google.com. I just click on google.com. Google google.com, and you see I'll be able to access Google right from my wallet. Yeah, I'm sorry my hand is shaky, but just have to manage it with me because I'm typing with my hand. Yeah, I know. Just gonna click on this, and now you see the same way you are browsing on your mobile device or your mobile browsers, you can get to browse on your crypto wallet without any hassle. Now see, we have our Google. We have just like your Google page. I can come here and search for animal, and it's going to show me something about animals, just like the same way you're browsing on your mobile browser. So that is the way you get to use the explore icon on your crypto wallet. So guys, I believe I've been able to show you how to work things out on your crypto wallet without any stress. Now, if you're interested in seeing more technical stuff about the crypto wallets and how it works, I advise you to see the next video that is coming your way.